What's up, guys? Today on the world's freest, most rich nation, we fixed my buddy's rotted out Hyundai.
Where are you jacking it up from?
This little toe thing back here, if it starts crumpulating pretty bad, I'll stop that. But I think it's okay. It's going okay. Is that the proper spot? YouTube mechanics? I got a degree in YouTube mechanics. I know what I'm doing. Fuck yeah. It's going. It's freaking going. Oh, fuck. Wouldn't it be nice if y'all had one of those lifts where we just go, it fucking goes right up? Alright. You know what I forgot? I forgot to grab a jack stand. I need one. I got all the organization here, so I know where everything is. That's where I keep my random piece of wood, my big spider. It's a real professional environment. We're doing professional stuff. Okay. Now here's the dangerous part, because I gotta go under there, so seems good. Okay. And I'm probably just gonna leave the jack there because I don't need it for anything else. Don't look at my big fat ass, even if it's really nice, which it is.
What are you looking for?
Sockets, dude. Impact sockets.
Alright.
I'm trying to do this super fast, too. I don't have the freaking sun all day, dude. If I break something, don't worry. I'm not insured in any way.
Sounds good.
Yep. Okay. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to fix that, actually, but hopefully.
What is it?
It's the upper control arms. Broke. Because my friend here...
The tire is slanted out, as you can see.
What the hell? Do I not have a big enough? What size do you think these are? Do you think they're metric? I bet they are. But it's bigger than the biggest one I have here by a little bit. I think it's like a 20 or a 21. I'm going to go try to find the right size socket. Oh, they're up here. So this is it's a 21. And that's the only other one I have remotely the size of those, so at least as far as impacts, which, if I'm honest, I would use a non-impact one because I just, you know,
yeah,
we're not exactly doing it proper anyway.
All right.
Oh, dude, look at that. It's close enough, at least.
Sweet.
All right. I'll use one of these guys. Hopefully this. Ooh. Wow, these are tight. Okay, that one's good.
Good thing you had that.
This makes my life easier.
That's for sure. Yeah, you could also block the tire from spinning.
Yeah, I could set the car back down, but this makes it so I don't have to do that usually anyway.
Or you could put a board under there. Jam it.
Look at how
Holy
floppy
shit.
that is, dude. That shouldn't be like that.
No, let's look at this now in here.
Okay. This is where your noise is coming from. See, it was eating your tire.
Wait, where?
This, look at this. That groove, I think, was eaten in by stuff it's running into, and it's obviously
Sure
hitting.
about that?
Yeah, look at the other side, bro. There's not, well, I don't know. But look, you can definitely see it here. That's getting all chewed up.
Yeah, there it is. It's rubbing there.
And then this guy is completely not attached whatsoever. Where does this even attach to? Up here.
So what is the part that's broken?
This part, bro. This part's totally freaking cheeched.
And that makes it rock?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That stabilizes the top of your see your knuckle. This is your knuckle right here. And this is all your tire.
Damn.
This is all your tire. They call that pizza toppings on the neutral drop channel. So that's supposed to connect up there, and it's rotted out. And my thought is that you need a new one of these. But also my thought is I have a welder, which that's like the worst fucking idea for what this going on here, but it's what I have. We don't have a fucking new control arm, do we?
Nope.
Can we get one?
Nope.
Okay.
It's the 4th of July.
Sweet.
It's not open.
It's not open. Okay. I don't want to pull any bolts out because they're rusty as sin. Grinder into freaking expert mode. I can get rid of that. Oh yeah. That's different now.
Cut it off completely?
No, I didn't cut it off completely. There's the that's the part that's supposed to be connected to this part, and we need that bushing there and stuff, and we're gonna weld basically to that. So I need to get that cleaned up pretty good. And same with the other one, although the other one's kind of even more trapped back there, if that would make sense to you. Then I need to cut away some of this rot on this guy here. You know, see that? It's just chooched. Same with the other side. And then we got to fill that in with something. And then you got to drive your car like an old lady, which I know you already do, since this freaking control arm just now broke. Okay. You know, no matter what we do, somebody's going to tell us that what we did was unsafe. So I'm trying to tell you, this is what the control arm that was in there was made out of, and it's completely broken right now. So I don't think we're going to be, don't touch that, it's going to be hot. I don't think we're going to be more unsafe, you know? We might be morons, but not more unsafe. I speak for myself, not for him. Dude, 4th of July, bro. The freaking sparks are flying, the fireworks, the beers. We should be drinking beers right now.
I have a Modelo.
Oh yeah, is it cold? You want to stick it in my fridge?
Sure.
Okay. Let's see, can I clock that? Maybe get it that a little bit. How can I get it that? Hold on. Nice. That makes it way easier for me. Sweet. Okay, spark time. Okay. Dude, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, I think. Now this side is all fucking rusty. So fucking rusty. Everything's so rusty. Everything's made out of rust. Rust in my mouth. Everywhere. What's up, dudes? I'm cutting this piece of metal. We're gonna ghetto fab up a really shitty control arm. Tubular though.
We're going to attach that to the last forearm piece. And then weld it on the frame.
Yeah, we're gonna weld it to that piece back there. And then I gotta bend this. I gotta bend this back here. I'll put another scribe mark on it as soon as I find my pry bar for scribing. Oh fuck. I'm stupid. Okay, so we need to bend there. And now we're gonna make this really hot, which I've just shown that I'm too stupid to handle hot things. This is why I'm single, of course. Okay, so just get this real quick, and gotta grab on my old trusty Mapeline gas, whatever this is. And where's scribe? Put that. Well, this is really approximate. I don't know if you've you've noticed, but this is approximately one control arm we're making here. I know I'm wearing the wrong clothes for this. I don't care. God damn it. I got wax on this at one point, so now I need to melt the wax every time I want to use it.
Pause.
Yeah, I can light my cigarette off it, or it's not hot enough?
That's gross.
No, not hot enough for that.
I'm gonna cut the next one.
No, I want to let this cool down and see if it fits. See that?
No, I am.
Okay, well, we found out the bend's not enough bend. So I'm going to use a hammer and heat again. To hammer, heat it, bend it a little more. And then we'll just decide that it's right. And it'll be right.
How many degrees of a bend do you think you need?
Probably need like 4 or 5 degrees more bend. Now it's freaking warm again.
Oh wait, now it's recording. I'm confused. Yeah, I had it wrong.
Damn. Well, we got a fucking million-degree piece of metal, so I guess fuck us. Can't really do anything with that right away. That's pretty fucking close.
Flat on there.
Close enough to it for me. We're gonna fill her in with lots of weld.
What does your mechanic think?
My mechanic?
Yeah, is it good enough for him?
Sure. Well, I got a better idea. I can hold it like this, and I can actually place it in there. No, I can't. I can't actually. But I can hold it like this, maybe. No, not really. Kinda. And then... yeah, that's pretty much it.
So is that the same on the other side, or is it a different angle?
It's a different angle. It's a whole different testicle game over there.
Oh, okay.
Ball game. Testicle game. Or should I? Yeah, that's got to be up like that. And that is fitting pretty good. I don't even know how I want to do the second one yet, but it's gonna be some messed up fucking debauch. Okay, so let's leave that for a while. Let's kick it under there so we don't touch it. And now we gotta figure out what the fuck I'm doing over here.
Now it's bending nice.
Hell yeah. Christ.
Gotta get that bend right.
No, we're not getting the bend right. We're just, well, yeah, we kind of are, but we're also just flattening the shit out of this. This is fabric cobbling. This is Wisconsin fucking fabric cobbling, man. All right, so that's CNC basically. Can't get any more accurate than that. You just have a sweaty man hammer on things, and that's basically better than a CNC machine, in my book. Okay, so that's gonna go onto there, and that freaking fits in mint. I mean, like, not really. Can I see it?
Sure.
All right. So see how this doesn't really fit in that meat. But it's kind of mint, you know? It's like 35% mint, at least. All right.
Going.
What's up, dudes? I'm dirty as fuck now. But this is... You know, that's in there. That's certainly in there. Let me show you the welds on this guy. Look at those. That's professional. That's professional. You know, rust welding, but that's the real goodness there. And that's the real goodness up there. And this is your professional welder, man. But it's gonna freaking work. All right, we gotta get to parties and stuff. It's the weekend.
It's 4th of July.
It's 4th of July. So let's see if I put the tire back on. How far off was I in my guesstimations on where that should be? You know what I mean? Like how much positive camber am I gonna have now? Oh, okay. Oh, that looks not bad. What do you think, dude? You think not bad? Not bad out of 10?
Let's get it on there.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna have to plug in my impact again so I can Zeus these on there, just so I can zip them. But I think we're pretty much done with this repair. I think quality repair, fucking ASE certified type repair. Probably not, but could be, maybe. That's how real mechanics do it in freaking grass. In their driveway, fucking crawling around. Shit. Oh. Get the tire nice and seated on there, the wheel, before I go doing this, braking stuff. Yep. And now, basically just gotta get everything out of the freaking way, jack her back up, do the dangerous part again, which is that jack stand. It's my trusty Hobart. This is a good welder. I'm not, but it is. I know that was dangerous, but I had to do it. Okay. That tire's back on the ground, right?